we got back to town and we heard that the hill had caved in. The hill up here, Flagstaff is it, and there was 3 houses. A big mudslide come down from the top of the hill. Well, the mud hit the glass sliding doors at the back. The couple lived in it and they jumped out of bed. It went right through the house. They're up to their knees in mud. Anyway, the mud hit the gas bottles at the back of the house, united them, and the son woke the mother up, and she got the 2 children and grabbed 2 push bikes. That's all they got out. So that was experience of torrential rain.